Hey there, everyone. Today, we're diving into a topic that many of us can relate to, sinusitis. You know, that annoying condition where your sinuses feel like they're hosting a never-ending party of discomfort? Yeah, that one. If you've ever dealt with sinus pressure, headaches, and that lovely feeling of being stuffed up, you're in the right place. So let's talk about how to tackle sinusitis right at home, because who wants to go to the doctor for something that feels like it should be manageable, right? First things first, let's talk about hydration. It sounds simple, but staying hydrated is crucial. When your body is well hydrated, it helps thin out the mucus in your sinuses, making it easier for everything to drain. So, grab that water bottle and keep sipping. Herbal teas are also a great option. Not only do they keep you hydrated, but they can be soothing too. Think peppermint or ginger tea. Both are fantastic for reducing inflammation and can help clear your nasal passages. Next up, let's get steamy. Steam inhalation is a super effective home remedy. You can simply fill a bowl with hot water, lean over it, and cover your head with a towel to trap the steam. Breathe deeply for about 10 to 15 minutes. If you want to amp it up a notch, you can add a few drops of eucalyptus oil. It's like a mini spa session right in your own home, and trust me, your sinuses will thank you. Now, let's talk about nasal irrigation. It might sound a bit intimidating, but hear me out. Using a saline solution to rinse your nasal passages can be incredibly effective. You can use a necktie pot or a saline squeeze bottle. Just make sure to use distilled or boiled water to avoid any unwanted surprises. This method helps clear out mucus and allergens, reducing congestion and allowing you to breathe easier. It might feel a bit odd at first, but once you get the hang of it, it can be a game changer. Speaking of congestion, don't underestimate the power of a warm compress. Just take a clean cloth, soak it in warm water, wring it out, and place it over your sinuses. This can help relieve pressure and pain. It's like giving your face a warm hug, and who doesn't love that? Plus, it can be a nice little moment of self-care in your day. And let's not forget about the importance of rest. Your body needs time to heal, and sometimes we just need to listen to it. Curl up with a good book or binge watch your favorite show, but make sure you're giving yourself those moments to relax. Stress can actually exacerbate sinus issues, so take a break and let your body do its thing. If you're someone who enjoys cooking, consider whipping up some spicy food. Seriously, spicy foods can help open up those nasal passages. Think chili peppers, wasabi, or even a little hot sauce in your soup. It's like a natural decongestant, and it can add a nice kick to your meals. Just be careful not to overdo it if you're not used to spice. Lastly, let's talk about essential oils. They can be a great addition to your sinusitis toolkit. Diffusing oils like peppermint, tea tree, or lavender can help ease your symptoms. You can also dilute them with a carrier oil and apply them to your chest or temples for added relief. Just remember to do a patch test first to avoid any skin reactions. So there you have it. Some simple, effective ways to manage sinusitis right from the comfort of your home. Remember, while these remedies can help, if your symptoms persist or worsen, it's always a good idea to consult a healthcare professional. Take care of yourselves, stay hydrated, and may your sinuses be ever clear.